Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tara Tutorials. In this video I am going to share an interesting piece of information with you related to product key of Microsoft Windows operating system. As we know that a product key is a 25-digit alphanumeric key issued from Microsoft which validates your legitimate purchase of the license copy of Windows operating system. So if you are using any version of Windows such as Windows XP or Windows 7, Windows 8.1 or Windows 10, then this video will certainly add value to your knowledge. As you know that generally when you purchase a copy of Windows operating system license, product key is written on the inner label, like in the inner envelope. If the Windows operating system is pre-installed with your computer system or laptop, then usually it is affixed on the device. So you need a product key whenever you install a fresh copy of operating system, after some hardware change, or you are reinstalling the operating system in case of system crash, or after a motherboard change, or once you are say if you have purchased a used laptop or PC from someone else and you want to install the fresh copy, in that case also you need to you need to install the operating system again. Or so in all those scenarios, if you have lost your product key which you have received during the time of software purchase, or if that was torn out from the computer cabinet or laptop cover, then here is a remedy for you. You can get the product key of your licensed operating system from the command prompt in a very easy steps. So in this video I am going to demonstrate to you how to get product key in case you won't find the product key either on the laptop cover or on the computer cabinet. So you can get it by using the command. So let's start the video. Welcome to Tara Tutorials. Our motto is learn everything with perfection. Thank you for watching Tara Tutorials. Well, to get the product key of your Windows operating system from the command prompt, you need to run the command prompt. For that, in the search box type command prompt. Here you can see the app called command prompt. Either you can right click on it and you can click on run as administrator, or you can come down here and you can click here at the second option, that is run administrator. It is asking, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Say yes. Now at the command prompt you have to type a command. This command is a little longer, so I have just given the command. I have written this command in the description of this video. You can copy it and you can paste it on the command prompt. So the command is WMIC space path space software licensing service space get, then OA3 XORICIN AL product key. So this is this is the hexadecimal number OA3 XOX and then original product key. Okay, so don't worry, I will just give the I will just write it in the description box. You will copy it from here and you can simply paste it. How? Just copy it and go to command prompt, and here just click right click and it will get pasted. And once I hit enter, I will get the original product key. You can see here. So by that way you can get the product key. So this is very simple, and this will be, and just note it down, and you can use it in a future reference anywhere whenever you require it. So that's it. I hope you have liked the video, and thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. We'll get back with an interesting video soon. Thanks for watching again.